Hello everybody, I'm Mats Brittberg from Sweden. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm also a researcher on cartilage and doing work on cartilage repair since many years. So you can understand I'm a real cartilage lover. And at the end of this year, in December, when it's the dark time in Europe, we will enlighten something for everyone loving cartilage. You will see that we are not so much metal lovers. We are not ready for metal, but you could all come to Milan at the middle of December to learn more about how to continue to do cartilage repair biologically and wait until you are older for metal. Thank you very much.